Good day everyone. So today, I will guide you on how to download Blender. Go to your web browser and type Blender. Sorry, it's Blender. Then click download. And as you can see, you're in that page. Choose what operating system do you have. In my case, I have Windows 10, a 64-bit computer. But it will automatically choose what is the right version for you. Then click download Blender and wait for it until it loads. In my case, I don't need to download it because it's already downloaded in my system. Next, go to your folder and look for Blender. Click on it and you can see the wizard pops out. I accept. Click I accept the terms in the license agreement. Next. Never mind this, just click next and install. And click finish. It's already installed in your system. Then just find Blender and open it. So guys, as you can see, Blender is now installed in your computer. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and goodbye. Thanks for watching!